Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Aided Analysis Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to solve the axisymmetric problems in ANSYS 19.2 Mechanical APDL on Windows 10 platform. Experiment number is 6. Name of the job is Axisymmetric Analysis. The objective of the experiment is to model and analyze the stresses in a circular pipe subjected to internal pressure. The problem statement is a pipe of 100 mm external diameter and 20 mm thickness carries water at a pressure of 20 megapascal. Determine the maximum and minimum intensities of hoop stresses in the section of pipe. Here the given diagram is, this is the circular pipe. This internal pressure is 20 megapascal. To convert into Newton per mm square, that is 20 Newton per mm square. We studied in engineering drawing, that is cylinder, a right circular cylinder, it is generated by the revolution of rectangle. So that's why here I am considering one rectangular portion. This is one edge is offset from the vertical axis, that is 30 mm offset. These dimensions are 20 mm width and 20 mm height. You can see this diagram. This is a CAD model. This is the finite element model. This is the segment of finite element model. Now open ANSYS software. Go to Start button, ANSYS 19.2, and choose Mechanical APDL. Now click on Mechanical APDL 19.2. Now it is open like this one. For every problem, you know that you can follow the few steps. That is you can follow the 3 steps. That is, first one, go to the utility menu, that choose File, Clear and Start New. In that you have to choose Do Not Read File, then click on OK. Here one more window is open. Now click on Yes. The second step is File, Change Job Name. Here the job name is circular pipe. You can type here circular pipe, then click on OK. Third step is File, Change Title. Our title is Static Analysis, Static Axisymmetric Analysis, Static Axisymmetric Analysis. Then click on OK. Next, go to the main menu. Here 4 important steps are there. First one, preferences. Second one, pre-processor. Third one, solution. Fourth one, general post processor. First choose preferences, structural, OK. Second step is pre-processor, element type, add, edit, delete. Here click on add. One more window is open. In that the given problem is related to solid, so that's why I'm choosing solid, quad 4 node 182. Then click on OK. Next, again click on these options. In that element behavior is now click on this drop down, axisymmetric problem. So choose axisymmetric, then click on OK. Now close this window. Next one, go to the material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Here the Young's modulus is not given. Let us assume 200 GPa, that is 2E11 Newton per mm square. Poisson ratio is also not given. Let us assume 0.3. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Next, move to the modeling, create areas, rectangular by 2 corners. Here the working position X. You can see the given problem. This distance is WPX, that is the working position in X direction, that is 30. y is starting from here, so you can take 0. WPX 30, WPY 0, width of that rectangle plate is 20, height is also 20, then click on OK. Now the rectangular plate is created. Next, go to the meshing. Here one important note is that in ANSYS, the y-axis is always the axis of symmetry for axisymmetric problems. So always you can take y equal to 0. That is wy. WPY is 0. Next, go to the meshing. Mesh tool. Here choose smart size. You can reduce this value 6 to 3. Next, click on mesh. Now select this rectangular area. Now click on OK. Now that entire element is divided into small elements. Now close that mesh tool. Just you can move upside and close this window. Next one is go to the loads, analysis type, new analysis, static analysis, OK. Next one, define loads, apply, structural, displacement. Here I am choosing onlines. Here the bottom one is fixed. Now choose pick the bottom line of the rectangle, then click on OK. Here you can choose UY. This is displacement value in y direction 0. Then click on OK. Next, go to the pressure, onlines. Here the internal pressure is 20 megapascal, so you can choose left hand side of rectangle. Now click on OK. Here the pressure value is constant, that is 20 megapascal. To convert into Newton per mm square, that is 20. OK. The next step is solution, solve current LS. The third step is go to the solution, solve current LS. OK. Now the solution is done. Now close this window. Go to the fourth step, general post processor, plot results. You can also see the deformed shape. Before going to see the results, you need to capture those images by using report generator. Now go to the utility menu, click on report generator, append OK. Yes. Report generator, append OK. Capture this image. This name is FE model. FE model with boundary conditions. Boundary conditions. FE model with boundary conditions. Plot. Okay, next one, plot results, deformed shape, deformed place, undeformed shape. Okay, you can also capture this image. Deformed place, undeformed shape. Deformed place, deformed and undeformed shape. Deformed shape. Okay. Next one, go to the plot results, contour plot, element solution, stress, x component. Okay. Now capture this image. This name is stress in x direction. Stress in x direction. So it is also called radial stress. You can also type in the bracket radial stress, then click on OK. Next, go to the element solution, Z component, click on OK. Now capture this image. This name is stress in Z direction. Z direction. It is also called hoop stress. Hoop stress. Then click on OK. Next, we can also capture own misses stresses. Own misses stresses. OK. Now capture this image. This is own misses. Own misses stresses. Then click on OK. Next, go to the element table. Element table, define table. Now click on add. First one is radial stress. You can type here radial stress. Next, in this you can choose stress x direction. Click on apply. Second one, hoop stress. Hoop stress, that is Z direction, SZ. OK. Now close this window. You can see the list element table. Choose radial stress and hoop stress, then click on OK. Now you can note down those values in your LMRB. Here the minimum value is 507, the value is minus 19.149, maximum value that is minus 0.19186. Now close this window. You can also see the animation. This is the radial stress. Go to plot controls, animate, deform results, stress in Z direction for hoop stress, then click on OK. This is the animation for hoop stress. Now go to the HTML report assembler, report heading. Here the title is static axisymmetric analysis. Axisymmetric. Axisymmetric analysis. Author name, type your name. Here the subtitle is circular pipe. Then click on OK. Now add those images. Now click on preview report. Okay, due to compatible issue it is not opening, so you can go to the folder, that is ANSYS 2024 folder. Circular pipe report. Now click on this temp file. Okay, you can convert this file into PDF. Here one more important part, please capture this FE model with boundary condition very carefully. Here displacement and pressure is not visible in this image, so carefully capture this image. Now click on Ctrl P. You can take pages per sheet, you can take 2. Then click on print. Now give the file name. Now the file is converted into PDF and you can share to your mail and take the printout. Okay, this is the regarding how to solve the axisymmetric problems in ANSI software. Okay, I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.